We're gonna start by opening our glove box, and you want to empty this out because this glove box tends to drop down, so you'll just drop everything anyway. On our right side here, you're gonna see a latch. Push this down, and then you're gonna pull it up a little bit. So push down, it'll unfasten, and you're just gonna pull this up just a little bit just to get it out of your way. Our next step, on our two sides here, we're gonna push inwards. This plastic is very flexible, so it'll just drop down like so. And you see there, your stuff will fall out, so just make sure you empty it. And when looking up here, here is your filter housing. You're gonna have two clips on either side, and we're gonna push these in as well. Flexible plastic. Here's a better look. These two tips, we're just gonna push these in with our fingers, and that will unfasten this. Next, you can see our original filter here. I'm gonna reach in and pull this out, and try to keep it level because you might have a lot of trash in here depending how long it's been. As you can see, this is already a good amount. Wow. So this is my current filter I'm replacing here, and this is for the cabin. I think it's probably been here over 54,000 miles. I'm doing a service, and you can see the airflow points down, so when you reinsert, the new filter should have something similar. All right, let's toss this. Okay, here's the new one. As you can see, this is pointing down as well, so you want the airflow pointing, this arrow pointing down. These filters have rough ridges, so this one happens to say airflow on the side. So these ends tend to be softer. This is the end that goes north and south. So we're gonna install this, and it just should slide in very easily. And excuse me, this is kind of tight space, so I'm doing this with one hand. See, it slides in pretty easily. Let me just remove this extra debris. We're gonna reattach this cover. So we're gonna reattach the cover. You see the airflow pointing down as well, so that's an indicator of how to install it. So you have the two latches there. You wanna push this in. It's a little finicky, but you'll hear two little clicks, which is reassuring. So the next step is to push these in. So you push this flexible plastic in, and it'll get past that. You'll hear it click. Now it's locked in there. And lastly, we're gonna reattach this hook. You're gonna pull it down, and then pull it up towards you, and you'll hear a click. There we go. There we go. Cool, all set.